Here in supply chain, our job is to keep the products moving onto the store shelves each and every day of the year, in every store we service across Canada. Gatik's autonomous trucks carry dry, refrigerated, and frozen products as we have stores that require smaller and more frequent deliveries, and we need to keep the products fresh on the shelves. The fleet has grown with our needs, from the smaller Class 5 trucks when the partnership began years ago to the Class 7 trucks that we currently run now. What stood out was how Gatik handled the rollout of the deployment. Their team learned our operations before the trucks were even put on the road, and they built out the right procedures and SOPs around the way we operate. So everything ran smoothly from day one. And we're not done yet. As Loblaw grows, Gatik will grow with us. This is how supply chains have to work in the future and the years ahead. Reliable deliveries, ensuring products are on the shelf, so we can keep helping Canadians live life well.